press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Well, so first of all, many congratulations to you for the lovely wedding that you guys have had, and wish you guys a lovely wedding life going forward. And दुनिया के हर किसी कोने से आपको already good wishes मिल चुके हैं, तो it's just the beginning of a very fantastic journey. And first of all, tell me, दोनों मुझे बताओ अपने अपने तरफ से, because the perspective is obviously going to be different for both of you. Before marriage and abhi after marriage, how has perspective towards each other changed? थोड़ा बहुत चेंज तो हर किसी इंसान की तरफ होता है. You have to admit the reality.
यार मेरी लाइफ में पहले कॉमेडी फिल्म थी. Sorry.
We'll start with you.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry. I will just start. Yeah. She waits for the opportunity. I just blurt out everything.
Yeah.
So my life was a comedy film before I got married. Now it's a horror film.
Yeah.
Every now and then I'm started. Like yesterday, again I jumped out looking at her because I'm not used to anybody in my room. So
and it's been 20 days. Can you believe it?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And ये जो आंसर उन्होंने दिया कॉमेडी से हॉरर मूवी, तो ये आंसर के बाद आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर वो और ज्यादा बढ़ने वाला है कि नहीं आफ्टर द लाइफ दैट यू गाइस हैंडल एंड मैनेज बिटवीन ईच अदर. बट देन आंसर जो दिया है आपने, खतरे से गाली नहीं है वो आंसर मेरे भाई. So what about you, Sangeeta? How has life changed before marriage and after marriage? How has the perspective changed for you?
Nothing. In fact, I feel that मैं ज़्यादा chill out हो गई हूँ. I'm chilling a lot these days. Yeah. So मेरे लिए it's a la la land right now. That's good.
I hope कि ये जो lockdown का period चल रहा है अभी, it's a honeymoon period for everyone. I hope Sangeeta, with these answers that you're giving ना एकदम explosive वाले answers है ये सब जो आप दे रहे हो अभी. So I hope life के बाद भी mood आप दोनों का घर पे same ही रहे, because I think the answers you're giving, brother, takes a lot of risk when you're giving that in front of your newly wedded wife. Am I right or am I wrong? I'm not married, but I can still.
We should not be surprised अगर अचानक मिर्ची ज़्यादा आ जाती है इसकी दाल में या खाना मेरा बन जाता है, तो you should not be surprised.
तो खाने में ज़्यादा नमक.
She's already choosing her weapons in her head.
खाने में अगर ज़्यादा नमक आए या फिर चाय में शक्कर की जगह अगर नमक आए, तो then you know कि you called for it, brother.
और अभी मुझसे डरता है ना, मैं तरीके निकालूंगा और डराने की.
It's going to help you in the long run. It's going to help you only in the long run. But then really sweet and adorable. अभी बहुत मजा आ रहा है दोनों के साथ एक साथ बात करते हुए. It's always a pleasure when you talk to couples who are newly married. कुछ सीखने को भी मिलता है. Whenever you yourself will get married, तो हाँ ये करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए.
यहाँ से मत सीखना.
देखो boss.
I'm a wrong example.
नहीं सीखने का हर there are different ways to learn as well. Now you can learn what to do. You can also learn what not to do. So probably Sangeeta is saying, yeah, these are the things you need to learn. What not you should not do.
She's declared. She's telling everybody.
Yeah.
She's like, मेरा बाल विवाह हुआ है. I'm married to a fucking kid.
Oh my goodness. नहीं but actually ये हम लोग ने देखा यहाँ पे. एक जो कहावत होता है, it's not exactly a कहावत, but it's a term used for men in India in particular. It's called man child. तो यहाँ पे people and women in particular they say कि यार हम लोग तो यार शादी करके हम लोग क्या पता नहीं baby sitting कर रहे हैं, actually किसी के wife बने नहीं पता होता. A lot of women complain. So Sangeeta, do you think that you're going on that note, because Indian women do say that?
Yeah.
She just figured out that was not a marriage, it was an adoption ceremony.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, she has figured out her own part.
और honestly, I am being taken care of properly. मेरा अच्छा ख्याल रखते हैं, बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. But I do feel like मैं एक बच्चे का ख्याल रख रही हूँ when he is around.
नहीं, but I think it only keeps the एक rejuvenated एक जो feeling रहता है. I think when you are always keeping the child inside you alive, it only helps in prospering the relationship forward. So I think kudos to you both for doing that, especially to Manish. I have got to know him personally since the live that I did with him the last time. And the only thing that I remembered कि हर एक almost after every minute कुछ ना कुछ punchline आ रहा है भाई की तरफ से. So that was the only thing that I remembered. So I knew it कि अगर सिर्फ उनके साथ जब लाइव किया तो इतना मजा आया, तो now that I am having his better half as well over here, it's going to be even double the amount of fun that I had the last time, and that's exactly how it is going right now.
भाई स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर दिए यार, अब मैं क्या करूं, मैं प्रेशर में आ गई।
Nice. You know, एक you know interesting phase होता है when you guys get married. You know, एक होता है पहले के, you know, before marriage एक situation, after marriage. So I have few common questions, ठीक है, which are kind of pertinent and valid for almost every newlywed couple. It's called most likely to for couples. ठीक है, मेरे पास कुछ सवाल है. Questions are open to both of you. You got to answer कि who's most likely to do that between you both. ठीक है. So I'll start with my first question. The first question is, between you two, who's most likely to fall asleep while watching a movie?
Me.
Yeah.
Okay. So कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ पिन पॉइंट करते हैं ना, तो समझ नहीं आता मतलब कि यार क्या हो रहा है.
I'm the erratic and the goofball.
I am learning.
Yeah.
I'm learning. So maybe next time तक मैं बोलूंगी.
So the next time I meet you, probably I meet you at some screening or something. I'll see Sangeeta and Manish screening यहाँ पे चल रहा है, सब लोग यहाँ पे, ये लोग आराम से सो रहे हैं. That is what I might witness. That that's something you might learn from him.
मैं premieres में सो जाता हूँ, सोचो. If I don't like the film, I go to sleep.
अगर किसी प्रीमियर में आप मिलता हो.
I have had premieres.
Lovely.
I'm sitting in the premiere with the producer on his shoulder. I'm sleeping. He's like, "What's wrong with you?" I'm like, "Film is wrong. What's wrong with you?"
The answer couldn't get even more blatant than that, man. I mean, कि film is wrong. अगर producer पूछ रहे क्या गलत है, film ही गलत है, और क्या देखें और कुछ सही तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
सो जाता है, वाइफ के पास बैठ के उनकी बातें करता है, हिम्मत है बंदे में.
नहीं. But I think that is why he's so loved as well, क्योंकि मुंह के एकदम he tells whatever he feels, and I think that's a good quality to have. या आगे भी बोल देना, sometimes it can get you in trouble as well. I know that. I know how it feels when you get into trouble for that. But I don't think you get into trouble.
Because nobody takes me seriously. I speak truth, but nobody. And you know what's the funniest is always the truth. Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy cow! No.
It's like sense of humor के अंदर से आप sense of humor के कंधों पे हाथ रख के आप एकदम honesty का truth का वो गोली आप चला देते हो. So I think that's a good thing. Sometimes it can get you into trouble, but only with your wife. I don't think with anyone else. With that, I'll move on to the next question. Who's most likely to write a love poem between both of you for your partner? So have you written any for her, by the way, till now?
Not a poem, but yeah, I'm the one who writes stuff and gives it to her, or makes stuff and gives it to her, and she comes and does kachara of it. Whatever little things I write and stuff. So our first night, look, I'll tell you. So first night, I prepared this super what do you call the scene for her, like full candles and everything. ऐसे उसका trails बनाया, and at the end of it I'm on my knees holding the gift, and she walks in and the first reaction is, wood खराब हो जाएगा, candles हटाओ वहां से, ये क्या रखा है, ये क्या है?
Honestly, it was like, what are you doing? मतलब my concern was not wood खराब हो जाएगा,
ये क्या कर रहा है,
expect नहीं कर रही थी, क्या है,
ये हटाओ. She's a teacher.
Well, I think when Manish is concerned, Sangeeta, you got to expect the unexpected. That's the only thing that I can say with him, in place.
शादी सबसे बड़ा इस तरह का सरप्राइज होगा, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हो सकता. उसके बाद देखकर मैं ज्यादा शॉक हुई.